Look at all the gojis. There's literally thousands of gojis. They're not quite ready, but they will be soon. And look at the grapes. Look at the grapes. See, that's the grapes. And then there's an Italian plum right there, a thornless blackberry there, and a fig right here, a fig tree. See? And this is the canopy. But look, there's a lot here. Look at this place. Isn't it amazing? Like, this is the food forest. Look at the apple, see? See the apple? Yeah. There's everything here that you could imagine. And I love it. I think it's so cool to be here. I am in awe every time I come into the back of the food forest. It's so beautiful. Yeah. Well, peace and love.